Hi all, Assalamu alaikum, welcome back. I had mentioned in my previous video my in-laws are coming out home for Christmas vacations. I think it's 4 days. We plan to create such memorable days. Let me tell you what all I prepared that simple fish curry and fry and like something normal recipe because on Friday afternoon we have 4 members. After that evening balanced members are coming over around in between 5 and 7, so I decided to prepare something special at night food as dinner. All of them like to eat chapati. In our family gathering includes 15 to 25 members. So we decided to prepare the food after coming them. Today I have to do some bed arrangements that the guests are around 15 members. To accommodate them, it's not a simple one, it's a big task for me. That I planned that what they wanted or how to stay over and how to set all rooms for them like bath towels, bed sheets, pillows, blankets, etc. Some days before, I purchased ran extra bedsheets and blankets for them and all the necessary things they wanted. Then another room for them. I had changed the all things that bedsheet, pillow covers and etc. There is no place without plants in my home, and it's lovely and looking better. Then I bought some extra pillows for kids. And a portion of wardrobe I have arranged some blankets and bed sheet etc. After that I roasted some large quantity of coconut that easy to cook chicken curry or egg curry, fish curry and other. For making this my lovely father-in-law scrambled coconut that because for me it's a lazy work. Roasting chili powder, turmeric powder for fish curry. It's make an extra taste. And I decided to make the chicken biryani on 25th December that we have a party that my husband and in-laws daughter celebration, birthday celebration. So I want to make a large amount of garam masala. First of all, I don't like to buy the garam masala from shop. I would like to make them at my home. Before powder them, I would like to roast sometimes for an extra taste and smell. And it's over, let them cool. Next we want to marinate the fish. For that I crushed some garlic and ginger and some fennel seeds and salt, and I added some extra chili powder, then turmeric powder and some oil, that coconut oil that I added, and marinate them and mix well and rest for 50 minutes or 30 minutes. After that, they reach one by one family. The happy moments are started with the right time and that the Christmas day.
Hi.
I prepared some banana fry for them as evening snack. The battery is already done before lunch, so the banana fry becomes fluffy and tasty. I think it's the time is 7 p.m. Some members are from Kannur.
Walaikum salam.
After coming them, they bring some kalumakai and squid, and the other thing is kalumakai pickle. Mashallah, it's already cooked, so my work is easy. Kalumakai, it's very easily available in Kannur, and this one is kalumakai pickle and prepared by sister-in-law Nasim Tata. Mashallah, it's very tasty, worthless. And one thing, thank you so much. I'm so happy, and after that all the 15 members are coming over to our home, and I started to prepare the squid roast firstly, and the squid roast for chapati. It's very tasty and the squid is already cooked. In between, one by one members are tasting the pickle, that kalumakai pickle, and it's very tasty. And the other thing, I'm not showing the exact recipe of the squid roast, and I added some onion and ginger garlic paste and some tomatoes and coriander leaves. In between our squid roast, I added some chili powder and turmeric powder and little bit of salt and add the squid, and it's over. And making of chapati is already over. I think it's the time is 9 p.m. In between, a fantastic carol coming over because next day is Christmas. One of the in-laws' daughter, she is a very talented in mehendi designing. Her name is Shahnaz. So we all are waiting to put on our hand, mashallah. And the day before Christmas is over. The next video that I taken on 25th December, we have a birthday celebration and party. Please stay tuned with me for that. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.